So, you want to install Optifine to improve your Minecraft frame rate. I'll show you how to do it the right way ASAP. Before anything, close Minecraft completely. If it's running, it won't recognize the installation. Then, search online for Download Optifine. Head to optifine.net. You'll see the latest Optifine version at the top. If you're on the latest Minecraft update, download this one. If you need an older version, maybe for mod compatibility, click Show All Versions and select the one that matches your game. Otherwise, click Download to proceed. Once you click Download, you'll land on an ad page. Don't click anything here. Just wait 5 seconds, then hit Skip at the top right. This is the main page to download the Optifine file. Now, click Download Optifine and save it in your preferred folder. If your browser warns you, it's just because it's a .jar file, not a virus. Then, locate the file to launch it. However, if the downloaded file is not recognized, as it is here in my case, then you need to fix this. Search for Download Java and go to java.com. Click the green Download button and save the file. After the file downloads, locate the Java installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch it. When the installer opens, click the Install button and give it a moment to complete the installation. Once that's done, launch your downloaded Optifine file. Here, choose to open it with Java always. Then click Install. It will confirm that it installed successfully. Next, launch your Minecraft launcher. Once Minecraft boots up, look at the top of the play button. If it has the Optifine logo and a warning sign, then Optifine was installed successfully. The warning sign is just there to let you know you're running a modified version of the game. Tick the confirmation box to acknowledge that Minecraft is modded and there are risks of affecting the core experience. Then click Play. Once inside Minecraft, go ahead and launch your world. Then, in Options, head to Video Settings. If you see the Optifine watermark in the lower left corner, that means you successfully installed it. Now, you can optimize your gameplay by tweaking these game settings to get better performance. Now, by installing Optifine will make a huge difference for Minecraft performance, especially on older PCs. If this helped, drop a like, and for more guides, subscribe. See you in the next video.